Beachside Tire Auto, of course. We're a full-service automotive repair shop. We do all aspects of automotive repair. The only thing we don't do is body work. We felt a need for some improvement on the managerial side with handling employees, better customer relations, and they've kind of really helped us, open our eyes up to some other avenues of how to handle that stuff than we were before.
They helped us learn how to measure things as we made changes to know if our changes were working.
The mentorship of Paul, he's really helped, had some great advice, with things that would help me, handle customers and handle employees, and then Carrie also. They've just been really good at helping us, like Jeremy said, measure, some changes that we can make, and then make those changes, and we can see how that helped. It is a lot less chaos. It's definitely smoother. We've seen an increase in basically customers, revenue, everything across the board that we've worked on with them.
We've gone to a quarterly meeting as opposed to every 2 weeks, just to help us keep in good practice with the things we've learned.